Hello guys, as you have seen in the previous video, today we are going to talk about holding tools. Holding tools are the tools which can be help us for holding our workpiece while we are in the workshop. The holding devices are composed with hand vise, bench vise, leg vise, pipe vise, and pin vise. On the bench vise, we have different parts. We have a movable jaws, is this one. On the bench vise, we have movable jaws. The movable jaws are this one which come out, and we have fixed jaws. And also we have spindle and these handles. And we have also pipe vise. This pipe vise is used for clamping the pipe while you are in cutting or in the threading of that pipe. For task of today, we are going to use this bench vise for holding our workpiece. As we have seen in the previous video, we mark our piece. After holding our workpiece, we are going to see how we can use a cutting tools. Cutting tools are composed with different tools, like we have different tools like hacksaws. Hacksaw is this one. It's composed with a flame and blade. We have also files. These files are used for removing some material on your workpiece and are classified in the different form. We have triangular file. Is triangular according to their shape. We have also half-round file. When you see on the end is a half-round file. We have also round file. As you see is a round file. We have a square file. According to its end is a square. We have also flat file. On the cutting tool, we have also a scraper. We have taps and die. We have also a drill bit. We have also chisel. After seeing the cutting tools, we will see deeply how can be used the hacksaw and the file on next video. Thank you.